Our company's development can be traced back to 2007, when Ganzhou Xinguang Organic Silicon Co., Ltd. was officially established and the exclusive trademark XG was registered, laying a solid brand foundation for future growth. In 2018, Huzhou Yiren Organic Silicon Co., Ltd. was founded, further expanding the company's production base. In the same year, the company obtained the OECO-TEX Standard 100 certification, demonstrating its outstanding commitment to environmental protection and quality assurance. Technological innovation has always been one of the company's core competitive advantages. In 2022, the company was recognized as a national high-tech enterprise, marking its strong capabilities in research, development, and technology transformation. In response to market trends, the company upgraded its strategic layout in 2024. On one hand, it established a Vietnam subsidiary to actively explore the Southeast Asian market. On the other hand, it launched the Electronic Adhesive Division, entering the electronic adhesive market with great momentum and achieving diversified business expansion. In 2025, Yiren's new factory was expanded to increase production capacity while ensuring both product quality and quantity. The company continues to innovate and deepen cooperation with customers, injecting new vitality into its sustainable growth. Over the years, the company has adhered to the philosophy of innovation, quality, and cooperation, continuously cultivating the fields of organic silicone, materials, and electronic adhesives. Driven by technology and guided by the market, the company is committed to providing high-quality products and services to customers worldwide, steadily advancing toward the goal of becoming a leading global material solutions provider.